If you enjoyed the Speed, Agility, and Quickness program, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel ASAP. If you're ready to see more performance enhancing programs, please comment down below the different sports or characteristics you'd like to see.